Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, then thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you like this video enough to subscribe. And if you are a regular viewer and a subscriber, then I thank you also for coming back. So before I go on, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I recently hit 300 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you so much to everyone who supports me. It means so much to me. Today's video is going to be on this look. You guys know that I like to be real with you. This video nearly did not happen. I fell in love with my eye makeup. I think it's one of my best, how it looks and the blending. When it comes to fake lashes, they literally annoy me so much. I don't know why, but it takes me forever to put fake lashes on. My lashes aren't on how I want them to be on because it just won't stay. But yeah, I wanted to be real with you guys and not pretend that everything in this video went perfect, because it did not. If you have any tips at all on how to put fake lashes on quicker and what adhesive to use, then please feel free to share them down below. But yeah, I hope you really enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. So my loves, I was going to do a voiceover for this tutorial, but I've got a really bad cold, so I'm going to put all the details down in the description box as usual. Also, let me know what you think of this look down in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.